Over time, car seats can get worn out, stained, or just start to look outdated. A good seat cover can make a big difference. It keeps your seats protected, adds comfort, and gives your car a fresh, updated look. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best car seat covers available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these car seat covers, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the Cat MeshFlex seat cover. A smart choice if you want to protect your car seats without sacrificing style. This cover is built to handle daily wear and tear, making it perfect for work vehicles, road trips, or just everyday driving. It shields your seats from spills, sweat, stains, and general wear, keeping them in better shape for longer. But it's not just about protection. It also freshens up the interior, giving your car a cleaner and more modern look. One of its best features is the honeycomb mesh design, which keeps the air flowing. This means your seat stays cooler and more breathable, especially useful during hot weather or after long hours behind the wheel. It's also made to fit most cars, trucks, and SUVs that have removable headrests. Thanks to its flexible shape and built-in anchor bars, the cover stays securely in place. No bunching up or sliding around. That adds to your comfort and helps keep everything safe and stable while driving. Another important detail is the airbag compatibility. The side seams are designed to release easily if the airbag goes off, so you don't have to worry about it affecting your vehicle's safety systems. That's peace of mind in case of an emergency. When it comes to installation, it's a breeze. There are step-by-step videos in the product gallery that walk you through how to put on the front and rear seat covers, plus the headrest covers. You won't need any tools or help from a pro. It's all very simple and straightforward. Overall, the seat cover is a solid pick for anyone who wants to upgrade their car's interior. It's durable, easy to install, and designed with comfort and safety in mind. Next up, we have the CarPass seat cover, a great option that not only protects your seats but also gives your car's interior a fresh, stylish upgrade. With its vibrant colors and quilted design, this cover stands out right away. It doesn't just look good, it adds a touch of personality and comfort that's often missing in standard seat covers. Many users even get compliments on how it transforms the overall look of their vehicle. One of the key highlights is its safety-first design. It's fully compatible with airbags thanks to a unique patented system that allows them to deploy without obstruction. Plus, it includes dedicated spaces for the headrests and seatbelts, making it much easier to install in most cars. The material is another win. Made from high-quality polyester, this seat cover is wrinkle-resistant and machine washable. It's also breathable with a foam padded backing that boosts airflow. That means a cooler and more comfortable ride, especially on long trips or hot summer days. Installing it is a breeze. The setup is simple and guided. Start with the front seats, move to the back, and then finish with the headrests. You won't need any tools or professional help, and the whole process takes just a few minutes. CarPass is known for offering reliable products with solid customer support, which adds extra peace of mind if you ever run into any issues or need help with your purchase. All in all, this cover is a smart pick for anyone wanting comfort, style, and protection without the hassle. It's perfect for refreshing your car's look while making every drive feel more enjoyable and refined. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the MotorTrend AquaShield seat cover, a solid choice if you're looking to keep your car's interior protected while giving it a clean and modern look. These covers are perfect for everyday use, especially if you've got kids, pets, or just live an active lifestyle. They're designed to handle spills, stains, and regular wear and tear, making them a reliable solution for busy drivers. What really makes them stand out is the neoprene waterproof lining. This tough material helps block moisture and liquid damage while still being soft and comfy to sit on. Whether you're commuting every day or going on long road trips, the comfort and protection they provide really make a difference. Another great feature is their semi-universal fit. They're designed to work with most vehicles, so you won't need to struggle or make complicated adjustments. Just slide them on, secure them in place, and you're good to go. That saves time and gives you dependable coverage right from the start. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. These covers are fully airbag compatible thanks to their open side design. So your car's safety systems stay functional. And if your seats have built-in armrests, no problem. The structure is made to work with that too. Adding even more trust to the product, they're officially licensed by MotorTrend, a name that's been trusted in the auto world for over 75 years. That says a lot about the quality and attention to detail behind each set. In short, the seat cover offer the right mix of durability, comfort, and sleek design. They're a smart pick for anyone who wants to keep their car clean and stylish without giving up convenience or safety. Now let's move on to the BDK PolyPro seat cover, a simple and smart way to protect your car's interior while adding a nice touch of style. This seat cover set is made for people who want something easy to install and practical to use. Thanks to its universal fit, it works with most cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs, as long as they have adjustable or removable headrests. Just a heads up, it's not compatible with fixed headrests, built-in seatbelts, or armrests. One of the best parts is how easy it is to set up. On the product page, you'll find a step-by-step installation video that walks you through the whole process. You can get the front seat covers on in just a few minutes, then finish up with the rear cover and headrest pieces. The video even gives extra tips to help you get the best fit no matter what kind of vehicle you drive. These covers are a great choice whether your car's brand new or already a bit used. They're made to protect against dirt, spills, and everyday wear, helping to keep your seats clean and in good shape, which can even help maintain the value of your vehicle. In terms of comfort, they're made with breathable materials, which makes them comfortable all year round. Unlike leather covers that get too hot in summer or too cold in winter, these polyester covers stay cool and cozy even on longer drives. When it comes to looks, the two-tone design and clean stitching add a pop of personality to your interior. It's a quick and affordable way to transform your car's look while keeping things neat and protected. This cover checks all the boxes for style, function, and comfort. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we have the FH Group seat cover, a solid all-in-one solution for keeping your car's interior protected while still looking sharp. This set gives you full coverage, including front and rear seat covers, plus individual headrest covers. Whether you drive solo or with family, this setup helps keep everything clean, stylish, and well-preserved. One of its best features is its airbag compatibility. The covers come with special side stitching, designed to let airbags deploy safely if needed. Just make sure that the tag labeled airbag is facing the door when you install it. The fit is another big plus. With its universal design, this cover set works with most vehicles. It includes Velcro straps, elastic bands, and extra support to keep everything snug and in place. That means no more slipping or bunching every time you get in and out of the car. Cleanup is a breeze, too. The fabric is machine washable, so if you spill something or notice some dirt building up, just remove the cover, toss it in the washer, and let it air dry. No special cleaners needed. It's also perfect for split rear seats, whether your back seats fold down 50-50, 60-40, or 40-60. The covers come with 3 built-in zippers and stretchable mesh panels, so you can easily move the seats or use built-in armrests without removing anything. One more smart detail, it also covers the back of the front seats, which is great if you have kids who like to kick that area. The full wraparound design helps keep every part of your seat protected from wear and tear. With its mix of style, protection, and easy setup, this FH Group cover is a top choice for anyone wanting reliable coverage without the hassle. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect car seat cover or if there's another car seat cover you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.